Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban let puli, da ka education loan, pila urban chukol ha number, kandai nyo, saw, san rio pranon, lani kandai pran rio laisan, an riway kandai pran.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su kila banyo na barok kidukan
Kamentri jong sorkar jela ka Dr. Ampareen lingdo ka khat pratrik naitung arja apulai kalapan pa bakam Sngew Ïahap setia ya ka Jingdawa Nongbah Tlang Tura West Garo Hills District namar bak sorkar kalapan jan syau pai ba daka bapan khabun tiliki blok hagini khandiat snam balalikno Hakijing kram bigla pathai kubuar hak khat pratrik naitung arja apulai ka Dr. Ampareen kalaong hakijing Sngew jong kashimet namar bak shlong kala dei ka Nongbah bakong san jong jela meglaya kamlong satya ka bade bandang don sakiwe pat ki Nongbah sakiwe ki district ki badan hapo ka jela.
The state of Meghalaya has a very divergent combination of districts. So now everybody, in my opinion, everybody is going to be rising and saying, bring the winter capital here, bring the spring capital there, bring the summer capital there, then it's all going to go wrong. The very fact that so many blocks have recently been installed and put in position. What is the idea behind the installation of all of these blocks? Basic idea is to bring administration closer to the public. It would be not correct to consider any kind of a capital anywhere else. We are in Shillong, it is the capital, and we hope that these demands should not be entertained. That is my personal view, because we will be in trouble if every district now starts saying, bring this to my district, bring that to my district. It will be difficult for us to administrate. Very fact that MLAs now are going all the way to, ministers are now going all the way to various parts of the district with that one intention. We can come to your district, review your matters, take care of matters, and be there to make sure that you do not feel left out in governance. But we can't have summer capital there, winter capital there, spring capital there, autumn capital here. It's not possible.